We are live here at the Davao Recreation Center for the finals of V-League Mindanao. I am Trina Blanco of Mindanao Network, and we are about to begin the women's bronze medal match. On the court, it's Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated facing Holy Cross of Davao College. Both teams fell short in the semifinals, but today is a fresh opportunity to bring home a medal. Who will step up under pressure? Will it be the Lady Royals or the Cross Blazers? Let's send it over for the call.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to V-League Mindanao, presented to us by the Safi Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated, live here at the Davao City Recreational Center, Davao City, Philippines. Presenting the competing teams for your bronze medal match, match number 13 of the women's division, to be played between Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated and Holy Cross of Davao College Incorporated. Presenting the referees for this match. First referee, Charlie Rochos, national referee. Our second referee, Bob Asho, national referee. Presenting the starting lineup. First, Maria College Foundation Incorporated. Starting with our team captain, outside hitter number 2, Zerk Dayag. Setter number 7, Jaben David. Opposite hitter number 8, Nads Kagampang. Outside hitter number 11, Honey Suvalino. Middle blocker number 15, Shai Savarita. And their middle blocker number 22, Tal Alfanta. And their libero number 3, Legend Campañas. And the head coach for Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, Mina Aganondigal. And now let us meet the starters for your Holy Cross of Davao College Incorporated. Starting with our team captain, middle blocker number 3, Isabel Andal. Outside hitter number 7, Cara Cardino. Opposite hitter number 10, Pinky Mahadukon. Outside hitter number 16, Mary Bagaipo. Setter number 17, Lynette Putian. Middle blocker number 19, Varen Johnson. And their libero number 12, Nicole Bacamante. And the head coach for Holy Cross of Davao College, Coco Quezon. This is the bronze medal match of the women's division of V-League Mindanao, presented to us by the Safi to be played between Jose Maria
Mabuhay ang
College
Madayao!
Foundation
Welcome
Incorporated.
back! And this is our final
Holy
day
Cross of
for
Davao.
our V-League 2026 Mindanao Collegiate Championship presented to us by the Safi. And we'll be starting off with our bronze medal match to be played between the Jose Maria College and Holy Cross of Davao College. As we take a look at the starters for JMC, it's Severino, Jabin David, Shai Sabarita, Zerk Tayad, Nads Kagampang, Talal Fanta, and the Libero Campañas. And we go over to the starters of Holy Cross of Davao College. It's Cara Cardino, Putian, Isabel Andal, Mary Bagaipo, Mahadukon Varin Johnson, and the Libero Bacamante. And we now proceed to the first match of our final day dito sa ating 2026 V-League Mindanao Collegiate Championship. It's the bronze medal match between Holy Cross of Davao College and Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated. As we start things off with a service error from Cara Cardino, Holy Cross of Davao College, and Jabin David setter for JMCFI to start things off here for the Lady Royals. Set to the opposite side, read well by the defense of Jose Maria College, but they give up a free ball. Go again to the opposite. Good check at the net. Now, and there's a net touch. The attack is successful. Still for JMC, as Zerk Dayag forces that net touch from the open side of the court. Better start here for JMC. They fell to the number 1 seed, Ateneo de Davao University, as JMC were seeded number 4 after the group stages. Habang itong Holy Cross naman, they lost with that upset loss against the University of Mindanao. It was considered upset kasi itong Holy Cross, they were the number 1 seed after the group stages. And, they were the number 2 seed in the group stages, and UM were the number 3. So they had the upper hand when we talk about the standings after the group stages, but they just fell into straight sets against the Wildcats, the Lady Wildcats of University of Mindanao in the semifinals match. And that's why we are seeing them here in the bronze medal match. There were high expectations for them on that match, but they were just a step slow against UM on that match. Good defense there by Holy Cross. We have some rally ongoing. Back set to Kagampang, and Kagampang finishes it off. Through the block it goes for Nads Kagampang. As lead is back up to 2 for the Lady Royals. Shai Sabarita, middle blocker for JMC, up in the service line now. Good serve! Almost an ace. And caught up eventually the last minute. Now Kagampang again. Well, turned that ball over. An error after that good set. Unlucky break for JMC on that play. Nads Kagampang falling short on that push attempt. Here's Isabel Andal. Bel Andal on the service line. Middle blocker. That was a tight set for David. And he finds the line on that one. Mahadukon, sharp eye, finding the hole deep down the line on that attack. As JMC were caught a bit off guard. 3-all. Still serving Isabel Andal here. Good reception. But they will give up again. Another push ball, and there's a net touch. Varin Johnson touching the net on that play. That's another error, another turnover for the Lady Blazers. They're tired with the service error. That's the second service error of the game. One for Holy Cross, one for JMC. Both teams just filling out the process here. Medyo umiinit pa na parang warm up ang dating dito. Both teams are just like filling out each other. And a quick attack. Tipped back by Varian Johnson. And that's a good hit, but just couldn't finish. And there's a net touch again. Sumabit ulit after that follow-up spike from that reception. And now, first days of the lead here for Holy Cross of Davao College. The Lady Blazers are now up front by 1. 5 serving 4. First lead for the ladies in red as Mary Bagaipo serving. Quick attack, Tal Alfanta, denied by Varen Johnson. Return to center, that's a strong block there for Varen Johnson, the tallest lady in the floor with a towering height. Inside for Holy Cross, right in front of you, just too tall over everybody. And another service error, that one, as bad as it is, it hit the antenna. JMC back on serve. Nads Kagampang. That's a sharp serve and we'll give up a long shot. Easy dig from the back. Tal Alfanta. Couldn't get that one to fall. Another excellent dig from Dayag on the back. Nads Kagampang attempts a shot there. No good. David. Drop ball and that falls for Honey Jane Civilino. Smart attack from Civilino on that play. Able to read the defense. Up speeds it down for the tie and we're tied again at 6. Another good serve from Kagampang. Cardino! Cara Cardino just punishing the defense. Floor coverage. Unable to pick up that one. That was a long attack from Cara Cardino. Here's Pinky Mahadukon on the service line. First serve of the game for Mahadukon. And that's a sharp serve. Civilino will attack. Dug up by the D. Back row hit! Return to sender! Says Alfanta. Easy read from the defense of JMC. Able to extend their hands on that one. That's a single coverage from Tal Alfanta. And fight for the net. Johnson pushes it through. Johnson finds the gap and JMC caught off guard on that quick push. Back to JMC on that sequence. We have a very, very close affair here to start things off on our first match of our final day. And later on, there will be 2 championship matches. And I'm sure the fans will love it. That will be exciting. We have a bit of a rally here. Back and forth they go. Drop ball. Almost, but not quite. They go back row hit. That is outside. Almost catches the line for Belandal. Just an inch of a margin from that back row hit from Belandal. Just couldn't find the line. Here's Honey Civilino with the serve, but that's long. Lots of service errors for both of the teams, exchanging free points after free points. Back on serve, Cara Cardino with her second serve of the set. David, and that's a net touch. And even here on an angle, we saw that the set clearly hit the net for Jabin David. And that's another free point, another error for Jose Maria College. As the Blazers here continue to serve. It's 10 serving 8 for the Lady Blazers. Good reception. Tight set. Almost another 3-point. Bagaipo pushes it. Oh, good defense. Blocked. But that will not be enough to cover the floor. As Zerk Diag able to push it home for the point. Served by David Bagaipo again, this time outside for Mary Bagaipo. Both teams just swinging point after point, so we are still very close here, tied at 10. As close as it gets. Of course, this is for the podium. We will stand tall on the podium later on our awarding ceremonies. One of these two teams will be on there. It's JMC will give up the free ball. Both teams fighting for their lives. Bagaipo again on the opposite side this time. Will not be denied. Mary Bagaipo does not go outside on that attack. Kanina, from the same spot, he hit it out. So same spot, different result this time for Mary Bagaipo. Here's Putian on the serve. Sharp one. That is a service ace. Service ace there for Lynette Putian. Her first of the game. 12 serving 10. Still serving here. Holy Cross. Another good one. David sets it. Bagaipo again through the block, but good coverage by the libero. That's a score for Zerk Diag. Off the block it goes. Zerk Diag with back-to-back points for Holy Cross. The opposite hitter now making noise. Shai Sabarita. That's a good serve. Almost turns it over. But Holy Cross will scramble for the play. They go back row hit. Wasn't set clearly. That's a attack error. Low on that one. Spalandal back on serve for the Lady Blazers here. Good reception. Kagampang return to sender. Oh, another big block there. Varen Johnson just too tall over everybody. And that long wingspan. And the towering figure of Varen Johnson proving to be too much and worthy of playing time. Another good block. Almost. Another return to sender on that play, but JMC saves their possession. Kagampang will challenge the blockers. Good check from Johnson and Bagaipo on the net, and Bagaipo easily finds the gap on the middle as Mary Bagaipo scores another one. As Holy Cross here is starting to pull away a 4-point advantage, 4-point lead. Spalandal again, holding her serve. Kagampang pushes it. Another good and excellent dig and defense, but that is not enough. Pinky Mahadukon punishing the floor on that attack. JMC needs to gather a bit here. They find themselves on the receiving end on the previous plays. Spalandal still continues to serve. David over to Kagampang, and Kagampang again will not score as Holy Cross continues to play excellently here in this stage. This is an ongoing 6-0 run, 6 straight points for the Lady Blazers. David now goes to Sabarita. That is to Dayag. That is another error, another attack error. Timeout. First timeout of the game. Should have called a bit earlier here for JMC. And timeout we go.
Bakit ganun ginagalaw natin? Para hindi tayo magkakakilala. Napansin niyo ba kung sino-sino ang mga ginagamit nila? Nakikita niyo? So sa second six nila, magpapatalo pa tayo? Ayusin niyo dyan sa loob.
Head coach of JMC, Ms. Mina Digala Ganon, with a bit of inspiration and instructions. Kasi medyo naging off ang mga plays ng JMC in this previous possession. On those. Belandal again, still serving. This is her 8th straight serve, and finally, the timeout pays off for Coach Carmina Ganon. Alfanta with a quick attack. Good setup by the setter. David over to Alfanta. Zerk Dayag serves. Good defense by JMC, forcing that one, and that will eventually lead to a score. 2 unanswered here for JMC. Better sequence for them after the timeout. Just needed some break and an inspiration from their coach to break up the drought, and now they're scoring. Pushing it. Free ball for the Lady Royals. Back row hit over to Dayag. Will push it and finds the gap of the defense on that one. And now it's JMC's turn to go on a run here, cutting the lead to 4 after being down 7. 3 straight points for the Lady Royals. Better sequence. Sharp serve. Attack is return to center. Strong blocking from Alfanta and Severino, the 2 short hair girls. With the denial right there, rejection, as that will be credited to Hanjane Severino. Now here's Coach Coco Quizon on timeout.
Isang receive, isang patay tayo. Let's go, let's go.
And now Holy Cross would want those points back. As JMC after the timeout earlier, with a 4-point swing, able to cut the lead now to 3 within striking distance. Zerk Dayag with 5 straight sets. Now a good serve. There's a net touch, and that will pay off for JMC. An error again for Holy Cross, and now 5 straight points for the Lady Royals, crawling back on this set. They had a long way to go kanina, but now just within striking distance, as Dayag again with a good serve. And Belandal of Mahadukon finally breaks the silence for Holy Cross after giving up 5 points for Holy Cross, and now they're able to break the drought. Back on serve is the Holy Cross. Poor reception. That will be a service ace, an ace for Mary Yes, back-to-back service ace. Mary Bagaipo finds the line. And now Holy Cross with an answer after the timeout. Just needing some break after that run from JMC kanina. Now David, where will she go? And that is an error for Holy Cross. Will give up another free point that's an error for JMC. Gives up the free point for Holy Cross. And another timeout here for JMC after getting those run. And now they've gone silent.
Tingnan nyo, mga pawis nyo. Pigil na pigil. Iangat niya, angat ang score ha. Iangat natin ang score. Lumaban naman tayo. Puro tayo takot eh.
JMC would want to duplicate what they've done earlier. Yung kaninang little run, they've made 5 straight points, but now they've given up 4 straight also. So this is a game of runs for both of the teams. 3 straight service aces for Mary Bagaipo. Another poor floor coverage. JMC a bit lost on that play. They've unable to cover Mary Bagaipo services. Just like that again, 4 straight aces for Mary Bagaipo. And now that gives Holy Cross their first set point of the set, first set point also of the match. Mary Bagaipo has been on fire on the service line. 4 straight aces for Bagaipo, but now they're able to recover it, and JMC is not yet over. Set is still on play, but just they're hanging on the beam now. 24 against 17, and 17 serving 24. Chance for Holy Cross to finish things off with a good reception. They've done just that. Long hit. Defense was there to cover. Severino will push, and Severino scores. JMC not yet done, they say. Hindi pa rin sumusuko at nawawala ng pag-asa itong Lady Royals. Still a long way to go, but now they're able to hold their serve twice. Nagkakampang is serving, and that's an attack error. A bit low, a bit short on the off speed. Now Nagkakampang has been excellent on her serves. Back set will push for a free ball. Back row hit, Diag almost getting through the block. And that is in, finds the line. And Holy Cross finishing this set number 1 with a strong and accurate hit. Down the line it goes for the Lady Blazers. They now lead a set to 1 here in our bronze medal match. 1925, it's the Lady Cross Blazers with a 6-point advantage and win here in set number 1.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Every business owner feels overwhelmed when it comes to taxes and accounting. Whether you're a self-employed business or a corporation, these got a bunch of bookkeeping and tax preparation. You want to make sure that your taxes are done the right way to avoid any future legal troubles and minimize tax liability. Luckily, we can help. Whether your accounting and tax needs are large or small, we got you covered. We will assess your registrations, tax compliance condition, and bookkeeping, and recommend ways to efficiently run your business. We at DavViz, we do.
That's our first set. We go now to our stats. On set number 1, it's a dominant one for Holy Cross, except the blocking department where the Lady Royals come up on top. But nevertheless, it's the Holy Cross of Davao College winning that one, thanks to their aces 0-5, and big help also from Mary Bagaipo, who had 4 straight service aces on that one. That proved to be the difference, as we were almost identical on all categories. Even attacks 9-7, only 2 points just separating the two. But the aces still tells the difference on that set, and the Lady Royals will look to bounce back here in set number 2 for our final day. This is game day number 7. Now we are now in our bronze medal matches. After this one will also be a bronze medal match between UM and JMC for the men's division. Then we go over to the championship matches later on. For the women's side, it's the University of Mindanao and Ateneo de Davao University. For the men's side, it's the Holy Cross of Davao College and Philippine Women's College. And after that one will be our awarding ceremonies. We have a lot of awards to be given. Individual awards, team awards, and the podium finishers for both the men's and women's side. As set number 2 continues here in our 2026 V-League Mindanao Collegiate Championship. Hatid sa inyo ng The Safi, live here inside the Davao City Recreation Center. We're live at Pilipinas Live. We're also live at V-League Philippines YouTube channel. JMC getting the first point again to start things off. It's Jabi David with that serve. Dayag will be covered by the D, but no. No clear no clear dig on that floor coverage. Unable to push it to the other side of the floor as Zerk Dayag will score the first attack point here in set number 2. Drop ball will not work read well by the defense. Kagampang through the block, it goes for Nads Kagampang. Fang Johnson, who was excellent on the blocking department in set number 1 that time, she is unable to return it to sender. David with her 4th straight serve this time goes off. And here's the main setter of Holy Cross, Charlene K. Rubio. Didn't see action in set number 1 as an easy, quick point for Charlene K. Rubio. Rubio challenges the libero. Another good serve for Charlene Rubio, and a miss set, a miscue between David and Dayag on that play. Hindi nagkaintindihan. So, miss set. Charlene Rubio again with the good serve. Dayag off the block will push it back to Holy Cross. Good check at the defense. Able to delay the attack. Now free ball for Holy Cross. And Ordinaria couldn't get that one. Dayag again goes long on the attack. Outside hit this time for Zerk Dayag, and now Holy Cross bring out their big guns here in set number 2. We didn't see action from Charlene Rubio and Angelica Ordinaria on set number 1, but now they are on the floor seeing action for the first time. Those are the two big guns, two of the best players of the Lady Blazers now on the court. Free ball for Holy Cross here. Varen Johnson with a quick hit. And she finds deep down the line on a quick attack. Able to see the floor clearly with that height. Quick setup from Rubio and Johnson. Wala nang nagawa ang mga blockers doon. Even the defense, they're nowhere to be found. Strong serve, Kagampang sees the opening, and she does get the point on that play. Nads Kagampang. Almost a broken play, and the cross-court hit is good for Nadine Kagampang. Shai Sabarita will serve for the Jose Maria College. Ordinaria, long hit, back row hit. No. Free ball. Oh. Turnover. An error. Should have been a giveaway, but just went outside. Varen Johnson on the serve. Good serve. Dayag again. It's a long way out for Zerk. Ordinaria throws her attack. Denied at the net. And now a free ball for JMC. Combination play. Johnson is there for the coverage. Ordinaria again will give up some free ball here. Back row hit. Back set from David to Kagampang. Better play, better placement for JMC on that sequence. Didn't went the same way on the previous hit, previous attack. Good distribution by the setter on that sequence. Jabin David. Ordinaria! No denying there for Angelica Ordinaria. She throws down a fireball. Good back set. What a set there for Charlene Rubio. That was a long back set for Rubio and Ordinaria. So Ordinaria will serve. A high school standout here in Davao. It's Angelica Ordinaria as Buenseda gets her first points to go here in set number 2. She finds the loophole. That might keep her going. Buenseda. Good denial. Delayed at the net. Quick attack. Almost. Another good check from JMC. Now Buenseda attacks again. Libero was there. Bacamante able to dug it up. Another drop ball. Will not work. Oh, just no coverage for JMC. Escara Cardino sees where the defense was going. Where they were on that play. It's Crisken Corpus, opposite hitter. Buenseda, and Buenseda keeps it going. Now, 2 points para sa kanya. Cardino with a very strong attack on the open side. Cara Cardino. Nagpaparamdam na itong si Cara. She's one of the best attackers of Holy Cross. Didn't see much action on set number 1. Kaya nga dito sa set number 2, nilalabas na nila ang kanilang mga big guns as the aces keeps on coming for Holy Cross. It's Athena Maneja. And back-to-back aces for Athena Maneja. Poor reception from Buensada. There's Han Jane Civilino. We'll check back in. That time, better reception and a quick hit. Is successful for JMC. And Han Jane Civilino on the service line. Good serve. Will give up the free ball. Quick attack. Down the line it goes. Back-to-back points for Shai Sabarita, number 15. 2 straight points for her. Able to cut the lead now to 2. It's 9 serving 11 thanks to the efforts of Shaina Sabarita. Off speed serve. Cardino. Checked at the net. Back row hit. Ordinaria was dug up by the defense. Good floor coverage by Bacamante, the libero. A good pass. David with a drop. Won't work. Now Cardino again off speed. Read by the defense and the push away. Will be an error for JMC. That hurts. They were playing good defense. Both teams were exchanging rallies and attacks. And just for it to be a turnover, an error. Shai Sabarita pushes it wide. Now Cara Cardino with a jump serve. Oh, strong one. And return to sender. That's an attack error, 4 touches. A double hit. All across with an answer, 2 straight points of their own. Cara Cardino continues to serve with his unique jump serve, and that pays off. Jump serves are one of the serves that was hard to stop. If you're perfect at, you will be dangerous just like that, as the service aces keeps on coming for Holy Cross. Kanina sa set number 1, they had 5 aces. Oh, that's their 4th ace of the set. Cara Cardino continues to do damage from the service line, and Coach Carmina Digal Alcanon calls timeout. What a placement on the serve for Cara Cardino.
Pumasa ng isa, tas atake tayo. Sino mga nasa harapan? Saan kayo galing? Dun dulo? Patumba ha, wag likod. Tumba, tapos open. Ha? Go, 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 go!
Now a 6-point lead for Holy Cross. Same story on set number 1. JMC keeping it close from the start of the sets. And midpoint, it's Holy Cross pulling away. Kanina on set number 1, we were just tied at 11 apiece. Both teams were going at it until Holy Cross with 7 straight points unanswered. Oh! Another service ace. And the reception, the coverage is being questioned now for JMC, who will get to the ball first. Cara Cardino continues to serve. 4 straight service aces na para dito kay Cara Cardino. And that time, it has been put to halt, but a chance for Holy Cross to score. Johnson couldn't get her fingertips on that quick attack. Back row hit for Cardino. Dug well by the defense, and a quick hit for Varen Johnson is successful. Cara Cardino again will continue her strong jump serves. That will challenge the reception of JMC. And thanks to that, they've been able to score a lot of points. A lot of service aces were given up because of that. As that is an attack error. Han Jane Severino's attack went a bit low. Here's Cara Cardino again. This time, after serving lots of serves earlier, including 4 aces, Cara Cardino gives up a service error. Napapagod din kasi ang mga servers, especially that jump serve, that costs a lot of energies, causes missed hits on the serves. Chabin David now on serve for JMC. Setter back on serve. First rotation of servers for JMC. That is not the best of the reception for Holy Cross. JMC will try to go and capitalize, but denied by Dimalaluan. Diag was returned on her hit. Rubio with her own serve. That is good. Ball is still on play. Kagampang saves the possession. But that time they won't. So Criskin Corpus with a lucky point on that push. Trisha Sulang will see action for the first time. 20 serving 10. Attack is in. Angelica Ordinaria with an accurate placement down the baseline. And Holy Cross just cruising their way 4 points away from securing set number 2 as they've put JMC under pressure. Now Holy Cross wants to finish things off, put the final touches, some nail on the coffin. And this remaining sequences for Holy Cross as their serves continues to be sharp as iron. And another attack is good for Holy Cross. Angelica Ordinaria that time goes for the off speed. (22 serving 10). Service ace. Another one for Holy Cross. They've been targeting and getting those aces to fall. We have another timeout here for Coach Carmina.
Explanation, kung ayaw nyo na talagang lumaban, wala akong magagawa. Kung gusto nyo na lang tapusin tong laro na to, wala na akong magagawa doon. Kung gusto nyo tapusin to ng pangit, wala na akong magagawa. Kahit anong instruction ko. Kasi yun na yung nakatatak sa inyo eh. Ayaw nyo nang lumaban.
Two different timeouts from both sides. Holy Cross with lots of energies, lots of momentum. And for JMC, it's the other way around. They're now trying to salvage themselves and fight for more, even put up a better fight and a better ending for their campaign. Another good coverage for Ordinaria. Holy Cross just everywhere on that defense. And they're awarded with a point from Tricia Sulang, number 4. What defense right there for Holy Cross. Just saving possession after possession. That's why they're on set point and leading 14 points, 24 serving 10. Charlene Rubio continues to serve well from the service line. Better reception that play, and that is an attack error from Han Jane Severino, and that for Tal Alfanta. That will end our set number 2. Quick work, easy work here for the Lady Cross Blazers, as that will put JMC down 2 sets. That is set number 2, 25-10, a dominant one for Holy Cross of Davao College Lady Blazers.
Taste, feel, discover, and experience Mindanao as it lives and grows. This is Mindanao on Mindanao Network.
Every business owner feels overwhelmed when it comes to taxes and accounting. Whether you're a self-employed business or a corporation, these got a bunch of bookkeeping and tax preparation. You want to make sure that your taxes are done the right way to avoid any future legal troubles and minimize tax liability. Luckily, we can help. Whether your accounting and tax needs are large or small, we got you covered. We will assess your registrations, tax compliance condition, and bookkeeping, and recommend ways to efficiently run your business. We at DavBiz, we do things on point, on time, on record.
What a show there on set number 2 for Holy Cross. Look at the aces. That tells the story. Save 7 aces to none for the Lady Blazers, and the opponent errors also 6. Holy Cross were leading by 6 opponent errors, 2-8. The attack was just between the two, but the aces and the opponent errors had been the story. Holy Cross putting the nail in the coffin on set number 2, 25-10. And one last chance here for JMC to live for another day, or will this be it? Will this be their campaign? We shall see here in set number 3. And Holy Cross looks comfortable, looks stunningly good here in our bronze medal match. And after this one, we will proceed to the men's division bronze medal match between the University of Mindanao and Jose Maria College. But for now, we continue here in set number 3 for our ongoing 2026 V-League Mindanao Collegiate Championship. That's a service ace for Holy Cross, presented to us by the Safi. We're live on Pilipinas Live, also V-League Philippines YouTube channel. And of course, we're live here inside the Davao City Recreation Center today. So feel free to come. The sun has come out after a week of raining. Kasi last week we had games that were under heavy weather. So ngayon, for yesterday and today, medyo gumaganda ang panahon dito sa Davao City, as si Mr. Sun has finally shined after quite some time. So kung gaano kainit sa labas, ganun din ang magiging action natin dito for the whole day. 2 championship matches later on. Big one. And good start here for JMC. They got 2 points to none. 2-0 lead, and Shai Sabarita pushes it down the baseline. And a 3-0 advantage here for JMC. Can they keep up? Can they continue this momentum until the finish line? That remains to be seen. And Jabin David still serving kasi hindi pa pinapa-score itong Holy Cross. Hasn't Ordinaria gets rejected. That is away for the push. Better sequence for JMC here. For an answered. Will they salvage a point? Will they salvage a set? Here in set number 3 as Jabin David continues to serve. Quick hit, Andal gets denied by the defense. Ordinaria gives up the free ball. David will go to... Oh, that's a miscue. Another miscommunication in those sets has been in question for JMC. Now they go back hit, or back set, and the hit from Alfanta. Off speed, Ordinaria sees the gap. Wise attack from Angelica Ordinaria, and now first point for Holy Cross. Now Holy Cross on the board for set number 3. Lynette Putian, another service ace. That has been the difference. That has been the story here in our game. 5 service aces in set number 1. 7 service aces in set number 2. And now they just got their first service ace on set number 3 on their second serve. Putian again! With a T. So 2 straight service aces. That's a T. And the reception, the floor coverage, and the digs has been unstable for JMC all throughout the game. And that is a low attack. Point for Holy Cross. Just like that, we're tied at 4 apiece. After being down 4-0, Holy Cross able to tie this one up, as that is a service error for Lynette Putian. Now Shai Sabarita on the service line. David goes over to the opposite side. That's outside. Now Holy Cross again tying things up at 5. Isabel Andal now on serve, the middle blocker. And another service ace thanks to the net. That's their 3rd service ace. 3 out of the 6 points ng Holy Cross. Half of their points are from service aces. Talk about accuracy and placement. As well as dagdagan mo pa ang poor reception, poor first balls of JMC. Another miscue, misset on that play. Farron Johnson, quick hit, denied. Good defense by Tal Alfanta. Blocking the much taller Farron Johnson. Good serve by Villanueva. Andal. Oh, sorry, that's... Now they go to the opposite side on the attack. Cross court is outside. Attack outside. Para sa Holy Cross. Now JMC with a 1-point lead here. Just a small margin, but better Compared to set number 2, they just scored 10 points. Good serve, unique serve there for Piñanueva, so that will help. Here's the back row hit, masyadong malayo. Miss set, and ball is scrambled and on loose, saved by Piñanueva. Benceda pushes it, and fight for the ball on the net. Won by Tal Alfanta. Extending her fingertips and her outstretched arms on that play. Tal Alfanta. And for the first time in quite a while, it's a service ace for Jose Maria College. It's now their turn to get some aces. As kanina I've mentioned, Piñanueva has such a unique serve. It's strong, powerful, and the curves. Yung ikot ng bola, the top spin is there. Look at that, but just a bit long and outside. Yeah, after getting an ace, she gives up a free point for Holy Cross with that service error. Now Angelica Ordinaria to serve. Oh, her serve is long too. Back-to-back service errors for both teams. One service error for the other. Here's Cristal Alfanta. We go to the opposite side. Redwell Mahadukon was Redwell there, and Benceda off the block. She goes. Strong hit there for Benceda, challenging the blockers, the much taller blockers right in front of her. That was Varen Johnson. Was unable to cover that attack. Now David again, quick hit. Did not convert. Cardino for the push. Libero was there, almost another miss set, and that's an error. Yep, net violation. Point now for Holy Cross, but JMC still with the better score here, 11-8, and 8 serving 11. Medyo malayo pa naman ito, and still a long way to go for Holy Cross for a comeback. Oh, those aces has been hurting JMC. It has been ace after ace all throughout this game for the Lady Cross Blazers. Look at that, Alfanta, wala nang nagawa for the reception. Quickly apologizes for her mistake. Pinky Mahadukon continues to serve here for the ladies in red. Better first ball for JMC. But they will give up the free ball. Johnson, quick hit. The libero was there. Venceda's push. Return to center for Varen Johnson. Look at her towering height over everybody. How do you stop that kind of length? Even that was just a push. That was just a free ball. But Johnson will not take it easily as she returns it to sender. Benceda will challenge the blockers. Unsuccessful. Quick hit they go. Bacamante was there. Ordinaria! Oh, Cardino, sorry, was right there for the flush. No denying, no stopping on that attack for Cara Cardino. Free ball for Holy Cross, chance to take the lead once more. They go again to Cardino. Check at the net, good denial. Back row hit, off speed. Cardino was there for the coverage. That's a violation, a net touch for JMC. A double hit for the Lady Royals. First, oh no. Holy Cross now back in front. 12 serving 11 as we have a timeout from Coach Carmina. So they need to recover and gather their thoughts once more.
Nakailang pa free ball tayo sa kabila na binibigay nyo sa libero. Hindi pa rin natin yun na kumbaga hindi pa rin ba pumapasok sa isip natin na libero yon? Last time pa ng mga laro, anong sinasabi? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natututo. Mag-usap tayo sa loob, oh. Wag puro takot, wag puro takot. Kalaban nyo lang sarili nyo dyan.
Good words right there for Coach Carmina Aganon Digal. Encouraging her players to play more, play harder, and play smart. They're giving up a lot of free balls directly to the libero, and the libero just passing it well to her setter. Better reception for JMC. Back row hit for Ordinaria. Covered by the defense. Good attack from Buenceda. David over to Buenceda again, finds the line. It goes for Buenceda, and Buenceda with some damage here in this game. A little bit of combination, challenging the defense and challenging the single coverage from Johnson, as Ordinaria is unable to dug it up. It's that time, no denying for Cara Cardino. Here's Varian Johnson, the middle blocker, with her first serve of the set. Cardino again! Oh, it's too much power and placement on that attack. Cara Cardino with the detonation on that spike. Baron Johnson with the serve. Cardino again, this time checked by the D. Recapente. Oh, sorry, that's Villanueva. This time she scores. Salvaging the point, turning garbage into gold. A poor dig from Holy Cross on that sequence will give up a point for Holy Cross. Now for JMC, now just a point between the two, 14-13. 13 serves 14 on that one. Cardino off the block she goes. And Cardino again everywhere. She's everywhere, hitting from the open side to the open side to the opposite side. That don't matter for Cara Cardino. That jump serve is back for Cara Cardino. That did a lot of damage from the previous set. Andal, quick hit, denied at the net by Sabarita, and the back row hit is outside for Cara Cardino this time with some rare miss hit. Jabin David on the service setter. Oh, Ordinaria. Just outside, almost finding the line. As that outside hit ties the game at 15. Better set, better fight here for the Lady Royals of JMC. After being demolished on set number 2, 25-10. Now they are on the hunt and on the fight for the set number 3. Cardino, Ordinaria. No, good coverage, net touch. Yes, there is a net touch on the block. For this time, Belandal responsible for that touch. And Lynette Putian, the backup setter, will be replaced by their main setter, Charlene K. Rubio. Now 16 serving 15. Now, Dayag will not get that one. Rubio over to Cardino. Cardino with the off speed. Good read from the defense. Dayag denied by Andal. Return to sender, says the blockers of Holy Cross. Now we're tied at 16. Interesting times here between the two who will get to the finish line first. Holy Cross wants to end things early here in set number 3. And for JMC, they want to live for another day, another set. But that will not be easily given by Holy Cross, as Andal again, back-to-back blocks for Isabel Andal. Not the tallest of blockers, but she is there for those kind of play. Just manning in front of the net. Dayag denied, and a miscue between Dayag and Civilino and Sabarita. Sorry. Miscommunication on that play. Now 2-point lead for Holy Cross. Getting a bit of a breather here. And the late push for the set. Alfanta with a push. With a that will force Holy Cross for a net touch. That is another break, another error for Holy Cross. Sabarita with a good serve. Andal goes for the attack, denied at the net. Mahadukon tries. She'll try one more. Sabarita was there for the dig. Dayag will give up the free ball. Andal couldn't put that one to go. Andal again. Now chance to tie, but Dayag's attack just being read well by the defense. Good check from Alfanta on the net. Dayag, oh, return to center. And Isabel Andal has been blocking very well in her turn in front of the net. 3 blocks for Isabel Andal here in this set. Now she's on serve, Bel Andal. Johnson and Putian on that play, miscue. Misset, rare error for Charlene Rubio and Varen Johnson. Zirk Dayag serves, good. And Ordinaria denied at the net. What a defense on JMC on that play, kasi si Ordinaria medyo talagang nilakasan yung palo na yon coming from the back, and just to be denied from the opposite side. Now they go to Mahadukon. Good coverage by Dayag on the back. Rubio goes long to Ordinaria. Another rejection. Yeah, return to center. And the big denial, back-to-back denials for Tal Alfanta on the net. Now 20 serving 19. JMC on the lead now. This is an ongoing 4-1 run for the Lady Royals, putting up a better fight and a miscue. Back-to-back miscommunication on the set between Charlene K. Rubio and Varen Johnson, and that will force Coach Coco Quizon for a timeout here.
Matuwasan na to. Tara, tara, karoon na. Go, go. Receive mo na, receive mo na.
Just simple words there for Coach Coco Quizon. They want to finish this one up and just get good reception. And our score here, 21 serving 19, a 2-point lead. That's our official score. Zerk Tayag on the serve. 21-19, and off the block she goes. And Angelica Ordinaria would want what her coach tells them to do, finish this early, get good reception, and that will eventually lead to a good hit this time. No denying for Angelica Ordinaria. When Seda fights for the net, she is called for a net touch. Now, quickly, we're tied at 21. Good timeout right there for Coach Coco Quizon, breaking momentum and scoring 2 straight points. Oh, just too low on the attack for Benseda. And an ongoing 3-0 run for Holy Cross forces coach Carmina Tigal to call timeout here.
Pinasok dun, kung hindi si open. Tandaan lang, kung ano isang consistent lang na set, kung i-open mo, open na lang muna ng open para lang makapalo. Tara. Adjust na.
What's her name? So, Sikwahe? Sokwahe. And that is Coach Carmina Digal on her instructions. She wants the hit to be on the opposite side. Let's see if they go. Yeah, they go to the opposite side when Seda almost getting a score off the timeout. And is there a touch? Yes, there is a touch. Yep. Block touch, says our first referee, Charlie Rochos. And now Holy Cross 2 points away from securing this set. They've scored 4 straight points after the timeout kanina by Coach Coco Quizon. Able to easily bounce back from the deficit. That will be a free ball, chance ball for HCDC. Mahadukon for the push, fight for the net. Who gets it? And there's a free ball on that play. Mahadukon again, this time it's outside. And that's one of the things na sinabi ni Coach Carmina Digal to give up the free ball not to the libero but to the other players. Kasi if mag-give up ka naman ng free ball, huwag mo na ibigay sa libero. And that worked that time. And forcing a bad pass and a bad attack for HCDC. Cardinho off speed. Will not work. Benseda sharp on the baseline but covered well. And that will be a score for Benseda. Eventually for the poor coverage. And now we're tied at 23. Interesting times here. Can Holy Cross finish this game or can JMC live for another day? Alfanta with a safe serve. They go to Cardinho. Good coverage by the libero, but no one was there for the second ball as Mahadukon right in front of the net for the over reception. This is match point number 1. They only have 1 match point to give up. It's all or nothing here for Holy Cross. An ace here would be the perfect way to end this match, as that has been the story. But received well by the libero. Vinceda will challenge the blockers. Chance for Holy Cross to finish things up. No. Back row hit. Diag. Oh! Zerk Diag forces the deuce. Diag says not yet for the back row. Here, oh, Zerk Diag caught the libero, not extending her arms for the reception, and now we're tied at 24. Deuce here, good serve. Chance ball. Oh, through the block. And Carla Cardino nagawan pa ng paraan. And that stings for JMC as they got a good serve. And the reception wasn't the best on that sequence, but just salvaging the point. Match point number 2 for Holy Cross. Here's Athena Maneja for the serve. Good serve. Now, Venceda will try to tie things up again. Good floor coverage, but they go to the back. That's a tight hit. Long hit for Ordinaria. Venceda again. Free ball. Good pass. David, where will she go? Quick hit. Good coverage by Mahadukon, and that will finish things off. A lucky break for Holy Cross on that sequence. Yes. Mahadukon will put an ending to JMC's campaign and secure the bronze medal match. Secure the bronze medal finish here in our 2026 V-League Mindanao Collegiate Championship. As that was an exciting set. JMC was right in front of Holy Cross all throughout that set. We even went to deuce, but it's just Holy Cross proving to have better composure right at the end, and that will help them secure the bronze medal in this tournament. And that is our set number 3. We went to deuce. That was a very close one. 26-24. Holy Cross, the Lady Cross Blazers, secures the bronze medal. As our set number 3 stats speaks for itself. We have a very close affair on that one, but it's just Holy Cross with a bit of an edge right in front of the end.
I am here with the player of the game, Cara Cardino, with 3 service aces and 10 attack points. Cara, congratulations on winning the bronze medal today. What was the game plan coming into this match?
Perform lang yun na tama among trabaho on tapos minaw mi sa system nila, coach.
And Coach Coco, what can you say about the performance of the team today?
Of course, I'm always proud of my girls. We salvaged our bronze medal. Of course, with our system, with our discipline, yun talaga yung nagpapanalo sa amin. Of course, we'd like to thank, again, this will be our last time with the interview, the V-League with Coach Ken and the Safi, with my boss, Sir Pong, Sir JR, and all the crew. And of course, our Holy Cross of Davao community, maraming salamat po. And Holy Cross is blessed with our super rookie here, Miss Cara Cardino. Rookie pa po si Cara. So we are so blessed. Thank you so much.
And Cara, take this time to also thank your fans and supporters.
Thank you sa fans sa Holy Cross, kina coach, sa akong parents nga nagtanaw sa live, kina Papart. Thank you.
Thank you, Cara and Coach Coco, and congratulations to the Holy Cross of Davao College.
And that's our player of the game, Cara Cardino, salvaging the bronze medal match. As now we proceed to our next game, JMC Kings and the University of Mindanao Wildcats, for still in the men's division, coming right after this break.